AI is changing work faster than most people expected. Every week, there's a new tool, a new app, or a new headline about jobs and technology.
Data shows the unemployment rate amongst adults aged 20 to 24 is over 9%. That's the highest of any age group. Is AI to blame for sidelining Gen Z workers?
Some people are excited. Some are scared. Many are confused. If you're wondering what this means for your future, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to break it down in simple language. We'll cover which jobs are most at risk, which jobs look safer, and how you can prepare right now. By the end, you'll have a clear plan you can use today. First, the big twist. For years, people thought machines would only replace physical jobs, like factory work or heavy lifting. But now AI can read, write, summarize, organize, and even code. That means many office jobs, often called white-collar jobs, are changing. In some places, they're even shrinking. Studies show that workers with college degrees are not always safer.
We are seeing kids graduate with 6 figures in debt and not having a job to show for it. My main friend group graduated with great degrees from great schools. It's been a year and a half since graduation, and not one of them has a job.
It sounds strange, but think about it. Many office jobs involve handling information, spreadsheets, documents, emails, charts, and reports. AI is very good at that. It can process piles of data in seconds, and it never gets tired. At the same time, many hands-on jobs are holding strong or growing. Why? Because AI lives in computers. It can write words and analyze numbers, but it can't climb under your sink to fix a leak. It can't pull wire through a wall. It can't replace a broken fan on your roof in the middle of a storm. Skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, HVAC techs, welders, and mechanics deal with real-world problems in messy, unpredictable places. Those jobs require steady hands, quick problem-solving, and on-site judgment. That's hard to automate. A lot of young people are noticing this. Some are choosing trade schools and apprenticeships instead of 4-year degrees. It's not because college is bad. College still opens doors, but trade paths can offer steady pay, less debt, and clear steps to a stable career. In many programs, you earn while you learn, build experience, and step right into full-time work. Still, let's be honest, change can be scary. Many workers worry about the next decade. Some jobs really will shrink or shift. Routine office tasks are the most exposed. Think about data entry, basic bookkeeping, setting up simple spreadsheets, and answering the same customer questions over and over. AI is good at these. Companies are already using tools to draft emails, write product descriptions, create first drafts of reports, and even help with coding. Humans still need to check the work, but teams may not need as many people as before. What about writing, translating, or marketing? Are those doomed? Not at all. AI is great at standard text, but strong human writers do more than fill space. They understand the audience, they make a message fit the moment, they add humor, emotion, timing, and a point of view. Translators do more than swap words, they protect meaning and tone. They catch local slang, culture, and context. Marketers don't just list features, they tell stories that make people care. In each of these fields, the people who learn to use AI as a tool, not a crutch, can work faster and focus on higher value parts of the job.
These AI power users are impressing bosses and leaving coworkers in the dust. America's bosses are getting blunt about the reality that AI leads to job cuts. The standard warning goes something like this: if a bot doesn't replace you, a human who makes better use of AI will.
Customer support is changing fast. AI can handle basic questions, order status, password resets, simple troubleshooting. That frees human agents to solve the hard cases and talk to customers with empathy. The job doesn't vanish, it shifts. Agents who use AI to search past tickets, suggest fixes, and surface the right steps can deliver better results in less time. That's a win for workers and customers. Let's flip it. Which jobs look safer? Roles that depend on empathy, moral judgment, creativity, and face-to-face care. Doctors, nurses, therapists, teachers, and social workers connect with people in real situations. They make tough choices with incomplete information. They read faces and voices. They earn trust. AI can support them with suggestions and data, but the human is in charge. Skilled trades also stand strong. Electricians, plumbers, mechanics, roofers, and carpenters work in unpredictable spaces where every job is a little different. Even if AI helps plan or diagnose, you still need a person on site to do the work safely and correctly. Of course, safer doesn't mean unchanged. In every field, AI will become a regular tool. A nurse might use a system that flags risk based on a patient's chart. A teacher might use software to create leveled reading passages or practice questions. A plumber might use a camera and an app to locate a blockage faster. A mechanic might connect a car to a tool that reads error codes and suggests where to start. In each case, AI speeds up the routine parts, so people can focus on the parts that matter most. So how do you protect your future? Here's a simple plan you can start this week. Step 1. Learn the basics of AI.
AI is not going anywhere, so we need to step up to the challenge. And the reality also about AI is that Gen Z is growing up with AI, so we need to be growing with AI.
You don't need to become a programmer. Just understand what AI can and can't do. Try a writing tool to draft an email or summarize an article. Compare it to your own version. Ask, what did the tool miss? Where did it help? This shows you how your human skills add value. Step 2. Build power skills. These work in every field. Communication. Can you write a clear email and explain a big idea in simple words? Problem solving. Can you break a big problem into smaller steps and test a solution? Collaboration. Can you give and receive feedback without getting defensive? These skills make you valuable anywhere. Step 3. If you like hands-on work, explore a trade. Visit a training center, ask about apprenticeships, learn the daily routine, pay growth, tools, and safety standards. Many trades let you earn while you learn and lead to owning your own business later. Step 4. If you prefer office work, lean into what AI can't replace. Focus on roles that depend on strategy, relationships, design, storytelling, and leadership. For example, a marketer who only writes product blurbs is exposed, but a marketer who talks to customers, studies the market, builds a plan, and tells a clear story is harder to replace. A data analyst who only copies numbers into charts is exposed, but an analyst who asks the right question, chooses the right measure, and explains what it means for the next decision is far safer. Step 5. Build a small portfolio that proves your value. Don't just say you can communicate, show it. Write a short, clear guide that helps someone do a task. Don't just say you can solve problems. Document how you fixed a broken process, led a project, or cleaned messy data. If you're in a trade, keep before and after photos and notes about tricky jobs you solved. Proof beats promises. Let's compare what AI handles well to what humans do best. AI is strong at repetition and pattern spotting. Give it thousands of invoices to sort, and it will do it. Ask it to search years of emails for a topic, and it can. Ask it to summarize a long report, and it will. Humans shine with uncertainty, mixed motives, and social cues. We read faces and tones. We understand context. We adjust our approach mid-conversation. We set goals in brand new situations and decide what good looks like even when there's no script. That's your edge. If you feel stuck or worried, take these 3 quick actions. First, list your top 5 tasks at school or work. Mark each one as routine or judgment. Pick one routine task and try an AI tool to help track how much time you save and whether the quality improves. Use that saved time to build a higher value skill. Second, create one piece of proof of work this week. If you're in a trade, document a fix from start to finish. If you're in an office role, turn messy notes into a one-page playbook your team can use. If you're in a creative field, make a short piece that shows your voice. Put it in a folder you can share later. Third, talk to one person in your field about how their job is changing. Ask what tasks they automate, what mistakes to avoid, and which skills they wish they'd learned sooner. Write down 3 ideas from that chat and choose one to practice. Let's go deeper into how different fields are shifting. Administrative and support work. Many tasks here are routine: data entry, basic scheduling, low-level accounting, and keeping records up to date. AI tools can automate a lot of this. That doesn't mean every job disappears, but the shape of the job changes. Workers who learn tools that clean data, generate first draft reports, or build checklists from plain language can move up to quality control, project coordination, or operations roles that require judgment, customer service. AI chatbots can handle many repetitive questions. Human agents focus on complex issues, empathy, and problem solving. The best agents use AI to search past cases, suggest next steps, and prepare clear answers faster. Results improve, handling time drops, and customer satisfaction rises. Translation and content. Tools can draft basic translations and standard writing. Humans still lead in high-stakes areas: legal, medical, creative, and brand voice, where meaning and tone are critical. The winning move is to use AI for a fast first draft, then edit for clarity, accuracy, and style. Creative fields. AI can help brainstorm ideas, outline scripts, suggest captions, and build rough cuts. But a creator's taste, timing, and storytelling still drive what works. Original voice and point of view are hard to copy. The best creators use AI to speed up the boring parts and spend more time on the moments that make people care. Healthcare and education. These rely on trust and human contact. AI can flag risks, suggest reading levels, or help design lesson plans. But people still make the key calls. The future is AI-assisted, not AI-replaced. Skilled trades. Diagnostics may speed up with smart tools, but real-world work requires people. Every home, building, or vehicle has its own quirks. Safety rules matter. Standards matter. Customers value professionals who show up, explain the problem, do careful work, and stand by it. Now let's talk about reskilling. Learning new skills when your old role changes. Start by listing what you already do well. Maybe you're great with customers. Maybe you're organized. Maybe you learn new software fast. Then look for roles that need those strengths plus one new skill you can pick up. For example, if you've done customer support, you might move into quality testing for products because you already know common issues. If you've managed calendars and projects, you might move into operations or logistics with some training and new tools. Choose a learning path that fits your life. If you need speed, try short courses that teach one focused skill: basic data analysis, entry-level IT support, or electrical safety fundamentals. If you can invest more time, look at community college programs, apprenticeships, or certificates that include hands-on practice. Whatever you pick, build a simple portfolio as you go. For each project, write one paragraph describing the goal, what you did, and the result. Add a photo, chart, or short clip if it helps. This turns "I learned something" into "here's proof." Also, build a small support circle. Find one person who will check in weekly. Share your goal and what you finished. When you feel stuck, talk it through. When they feel stuck, help them. You will move faster together than alone. Let's bring it all together. Artificial intelligence is not magic, and it's not a monster. It's a tool that does certain tasks very well, especially repetitive ones that follow a clear pattern. It will reduce some kind of jobs and transform others. The jobs with the highest exposure are routine, information-heavy roles. The jobs with the most resilience are hands-on roles, care roles, and creative roles that depend on human judgment. But all jobs will use AI in some way. Your best bet is to learn enough to work with these tools, double down on human skills that don't go out of date, and choose a path where your strengths give you an edge. If you're still unsure where to start, remember this simple playbook. Learn a tool, build proof, connect with people, repeat. Learn a tool, pick one AI assistant or workflow tool, and use it on a real task this week. Track the time saved. Build proof. Create one page, one project, or one short video that shows your results. Connect with people. Talk to someone in your field about what's changing and what works. Ask for one tip you can try now. Do these steps again next week Small wins stack up quickly. Fear makes people freeze. Action builds confidence. You don't have to solve your whole career today. Just take the next smart step. So which jobs will AI never replace? Very few are truly never, but many roles are highly resilient because they need human presence, empathy, and hands-on problem solving. When a pipe bursts, when a child struggles in class, when a patient needs comfort, when a family's power fails in a storm, or when a team needs a leader to set direction. Those moments call for people. AI can help, advise, and speed things up. But it can't earn trust, shoulder responsibility, or care the way you can. That's the path forward. Use AI to handle the repetitive parts. Use your mind, your hands, and your heart for the rest. If you do that, you won't just survive the AI era, you'll thrive in it.